Train your brain. Today's challenge is squeeze the word dot by half emoji. Let's go. Before starting, please subscribe Brain BICEPS channel for more interesting quizzes. Find first word by half emoji. Zebra. Can you find it by half picture? Butterfly. Can you find it by half picture? Fox. Write your answer to comment. Can you find it by half picture? Rabbit. What is that? Horse.
Oh my God.
Where you found it? It's easy. Turtle.
Click like.
What is that? If you know this, write comment. Can you find it by half picture? Crocodile. Can you find it by half picture? Hippo. What is that? It's cat. Are you like cat? It's easy. Chicken. What is that? Hedgehog. Can you find it by half picture? Snake. Can you find it by half picture? Wolf. I bet you thought it was a dog. Can you find it by half picture? Sheep. Can you find it by half picture? Chameleon. Can you find it by half picture? Flamingo. Were you saw flamingo in real? What is that? Goose. Can you find it by half picture? Deer. Can you find it by half picture? Snail. It's easy. It's cow. Do you have cow? Can you find it by half picture? Parrot. Can you find it by half picture? Gorilla. Don't forget subscribe Brain BICEPS channel. Can you find it by half picture? Frog. Can you find it by half picture? Penguin.
Hard level coming! Open your eyes and find it only from legs!
Write comment your answer.